Here is another question from Kathmandu, Nepal. How to overcome frustration. Life keeps rolling no matter what goes around us. One of the common problems in human life is frustration. Frustration comes out of our desire and expectations. Here are a few suggestions that help us overcome frustration in life. Take a deep breath. Realize that the process of taking a deep breath is the essence of being. When we do this exercise during frustration, it calms down the frustrated emotions. It also slows down the heartbeat and lowers blood pressure, diminishing the negative effects of stressful emotions. Accept things as it is, an outcome of the past incident which can't be changed. Write it down your feelings that made you feel frustrated. Talk to someone whom you can trust, but don't make a mistake talking to someone who has a negative and cynical mentality. Find out the root cause of your frustration and work on it diligently to avoid similar frustration in the future. Think about your frustration is just temporary. It will not last forever. Treat it as the weather that can't last the same weather throughout the year. Work on something else that makes you feel good while doing it. Get engaged in something that needs your full attention, such as dig in the garden, make your own favorite dish, call someone whom you care about the most, etc. Do something pleasant and enjoyable, such as read a book, watch your favorite comedy show, go on walking, etc. By doing this will dispel your frustration. I hope you find this information helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much.